How AirPods are deep cleaned. Today, Tech Orbit is going to show you how to clean dirty AirPods from start to finish. So, when people bring in their AirPods, the main problem they have is low volume, either on both or just on one side of the AirPods. Usually they come in the condition that users are going to throw them away. So, we are going to show you a pair of AirPods. This pair of AirPods, of course, they are not cleaned. Of course, the main brown thing is the earwax, and it's a piece of bacon or sausage or carrot. Nobody really knows. First, just pour a drop of pure alcohol and leave them for a couple of seconds just to soak in, and use a toothpick to kind of release whatever is in there, probably earwax or something like that. Secondly, soften that with a short brush. Moreover, just use vacuum cleaner to suck everything out. Then, repeat the same process again and again until it's clean, really. There's two sets of mesh in every AirPod. There's the steel one, that you see in front. And there is one, a little bit smaller pitch one, behind it. So we can see the clean second mesh behind it in those few open holes. The actual mesh is pretty clean. Most of the holes are still open. So, when the AirPod is clean, the mesh of the speaker, it looks like nice dark grey color, and you can actually see through the holes. The volume is back, it's loud and clear, and they are usable again. Please like, subscribe and share the video. For more videos from Tech Orbit, do not forget to click the bell icon.